Uy, Sir Japs.
Uy, Kat, basta.
Buti nakita kita dito. May question lang ako. Alam mo ba yung ginawa ni BSP last week?
Tinas ni BSP yung policy rates niya last week to 4.5%. And that's because, una, nakakita na siya ng demand side inflationary risk sa economy. Makikita mo naman yung sa core inflation rate natin, tumataas na siya recently. Tapos tumataas na rin yung inflation expectations kasi yung presyo na lang sa taas. May risks pa sa mga agricultural commodities natin kasi tumataas yung cost of production. Tapos baka mag-El Nino pa by mid of the year. So, tumataas inflation expectations and the BSP is trying to arrest that. Kaya tinaas niya yung policy rates niya last week.
Anong magiging impact nito sa ating everyday lives? Should we be worried about our bills or yung lifestyle natin right now?
As someone who's living his everyday life, ang pinaka-worry mo dun is yung direction ni BSP. Nag-signal na rin kasi siya na possible na mag-continue yung pagtaas niya ng kanyang policy rates. And if that's gonna happen, it means na patuloy rin yung pagtaas ng borrowing cost natin. Which simply means na moving forward, mas mahal ng mangutang. So if you're, let's say, a consumer and you're dependent on, let's say, debt, utang on credit cards for your consumption, medyo mahihirapan ka na yan moving forward. If you're a business, mahihirapan ka rin in raising capital.
Do you have any recommendations? What sector should we look into? And what are those we should be careful of?
Okay. So you should avoid companies na heavily reliant on debt pagdating sa pag-fund ng assets nila. Kasi if they're gonna continue to do so moving forward, tataas yung cost of capital. We should be careful with the properties as well. Kasi pag tumaas sa interest rates, tataas mortgage rates. Pag tumaas mortgage rates, pwedeng bumaba ang property sales. So, what should we go for then? Stick with the defensive companies remain stable with respect to demand for their products kahit ano man yung pagdaanan ng ekonomiya. And finally, go for the banks with high interest rates. Pwedeng bumaba yung demand for loans or bumagal, pero at the same time, pwede sila makapag-charge ng mas malaki kasi mas mataas ng interest rates. But that's gonna help in keeping their performance, financial performance growing.